Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to your backbone. First, ensure your PlayStation 5 console is powered on and connected to a strong, stable internet connection, preferably using an Ethernet cable for the best experience. Next, download the PlayStation Remote Play application onto your mobile device, which is essential for this setup. This app allows your phone to stream gameplay directly from your console, letting you play anywhere with an internet connection. To prepare your PlayStation 5 for remote play, navigate to the System Settings menu from the main dashboard. From there, select System, then scroll down and choose Remote Play. You will see an option to enable remote play. Ensure this is turned on. It is also a good idea to set your console to rest mode for quick activation. This configuration ensures your PlayStation 5 is ready to stream games to your mobile device seamlessly. Now, prepare your mobile phone and backbone controller. Carefully attach your phone to the backbone, ensuring it is properly seated and connected. Next, open the PlayStation Remote Play application on your mobile device. When prompted, sign in with your PlayStation Network account. This must be the exact same account associated with your PlayStation 5 console. This step is crucial for the application to find and connect to your home console. Your backbone will then function as your primary controller. Once logged into the Remote Play app, it will display a list of available PlayStation 5 consoles. Select your console from this list to initiate the connection. The application will then attempt to link to your PlayStation 5 and stream its display directly to your phone. You should see your console's home screen appear on your mobile device within a few seconds. If you encounter any connection issues, ensure both devices have robust internet access and try restarting the app or your router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.